Refine with this pomegranate face mask. This easy face pack will not only make your skin firmer and softer, it will also reduce marks and blemishes. It's great for all skin types and especially beneficial for fine lines, blemishes and dull complexions. First of all, we're going to use a tablespoon of your pomegranate seeds. Now these are a rich source of vitamin C and lots of antioxidants. To this, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of live yogurt. Now, yogurt has lots of lactic acid in it, which again is exfoliating for our skins. Once they're all in a bowl together, just use a blender or a masher and combine the ingredients. You see it's starting to turn pink. Okay, so once it's all mixed together, you can see how simple and easy that was. Just going to transfer it now to a smaller bowl. So the juice of the seeds actually help to keep your skin hydrated, and it's an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin E. Combined with the yogurt and its lactic acid properties, it makes a fantastic refirming skin mask. And there you have it, your pomegranate facial mask, great at refining your skin. Simply apply it and it will brighten and rejuvenate.